In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can subscribe for Amazon Kindle Unlimited. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to subscribe for Amazon Kindle Unlimited, we must actually first head over to the Amazon website. Now, this can also be done on the Amazon app, so feel free to use whichever you find easier. But for this video, I'll be doing it on the website. So once you're logged into your account, we can go to the top left corner and look for these options. We then want to look for the digital content and devices section, and we can then go down and select Kindle e-readers and books. From there, we can see this section in the middle called Kindle Store, and we can then go down and select Kindle Unlimited. From there, we get taken to this Kindle Unlimited page, and here's where we can actually access the subscription, as well as claim a free trial. So we can either choose a 30-day free trial, which is £0 for the first month, and renews at around £10 a month after that. Or you can choose the 3-month deal, which allows you to try Kindle Unlimited for just £8 a month for 3 months. So all you have to do is choose which deal appeals to you the most, and when you're happy with that, you can go ahead and join now at the promotional price, or you can start your 30-day free trial and pay later. From there, you'll get unlimited reading, magazine subscriptions, and you'll be able to read on any device on the Kindle app. So that's how you can subscribe for Amazon Kindle Unlimited. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.